for. And I do not know how many copies that I personally will be proud to buy. But on a more serious note, please book me down for at least 5,000 copies. I think it's already sold out. And I can also assure you that I will personally persuade my colleagues, other governors in Yoruba land, to buy at least the same quantity. I want to plead with you not to be fearful at all. Just go ahead and do what you have to do, because this is in hot demand. Looking at the lyrics of Yoruba Rono, which was just sung here today, those words that were sung, I don't know, maybe 25, 30 years ago. More than 30 years ago. 40 years ago. Every single word, every single letter remains very relevant today. Yoruba ro bi na le. Yoruba ro bi ọ̀gbìn. Yoruba bàbá ni bàbá ṣe. I'm reading something here. Ọgbẹ́ bí Fálárì. Fálárì fẹ́lẹ́ bí. Ọkùnrin kó bá jà àbọ̀tún polówó wá mú. Ọgbọ́n tí ọgbọ́n tó gbé kan délé ọlá. Ọgbọ́n náà tó tún padà wá sí ilé ọmọdé. Àwọn tí wọ́n ti ń ṣọ̀gá lọ́dọ̀ ló ti pẹ́. I'm saying something else here. Yorùbá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn di bọ́ọ̀lù fàyè gbà. Àwọn sókè wájú bá wọn sísàlẹ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti gbére tẹ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n lé kúrú. Àwọn tí ayé fẹjọ́ sùn ti jẹ́ ní àtijọ́ Yorùbá jókòó sílẹ̀. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n fọwọ́ lọ́wọ́. Ìjọba ìjọba rẹ̀ kúrò níwà ilẹ̀ ibẹ̀. I'm seeing another prayer here. Oríkì máa ń burú títí kó gbogbo ọdún. Lẹ́yìn òkùnkùn bìrìbìrì, ìpàdé tún ìrẹ̀yìn aláyọ̀ ilẹ̀ kọ́lé àwọ̀ ilẹ̀. Shall I see something else? Single word. Every single sentence uttered some 40 years ago are still quite relevant today. I do not think that we can have a greater personality than Chief Hubert Ogunde. I also noticed that his politics was correct, because I'm looking at another picture here. It looks like the picture of Chief Obafemi Awolowo. I'm seeing another picture behind him. It looks like the picture of Chief Wole Awolowo. Chief Hubert Ogunde is clearly a man of history. Let me just in summary reassure you that this government will do everything that is humanly possible not to disappoint our people here in Ososa. Today we are gathered to celebrate an illustrious son of Ogun State and a legend, the doyen of the Nigerian theatre and the former coordinator of the national troupe. Chief Hubert Ogunde no doubt made monumental contributions that revolutionized the Nigerian cultural scene in his 45 years in opera and in theatre business. His entry on stage and auditorium performances was the beginning of people's attention on stage performance. Apart from the fact that he made a name for himself, he also put Ososa and Ogun State on the international map. It is indeed commendable that he gave due respect to the African culture in all his works while on earth. Through all his works, he was able to project to the outside world the rich cultural and traditional heritage of Yoruba land. Inevitably, all these have transferred to the tourism potentials of Ogun State. Ososa no more remains an unknown town in the thick forest of Ijebuland. Ososa has become a tourist destination of choice. It is no surprise then that at the graveside oration delivered by Navy Captain Mohammed Lawal, the then military governor of Ogun State, on the 5th of May 1990, he referred to the late Chief Ogunde as Africa's foremost giant of the theatre. Even at a mature age of 73, people clamored for his continued living because of his wisdom, inspiration, and artistic talents and the joy he gave to humanity through his stage performances. Highly distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is against this background that I congratulate and commend all those who have contributed to the successful hosting of this event. The unveiling of this monument will continue to be a befitting memorial for all that he did for the theatre industry. But also importantly, it will go a long way in boosting the tourism potentials of the Hubert Ogunde Film Village, in particular and Ogun State in general.